Buckle up, because Ethena is heating up. We've just seen a massive breakout on the charts, smashing through a months-long downtrend, and the price is now sitting pretty around 60 cents. But that's not all. The fundamentals are firing on all cylinders, with huge news about regulatory wins, killer partnerships, and insane fee generation. Could this be the start of a rally that takes ENA to $3 or beyond? In this video, I'm breaking it all down. The latest updates, a step-by-step chart analysis with 4 juicy profit targets, and why now might be the moment to jump in. Whether you're new to crypto or a trading pro, you'll want to stick around for this. Let's dive in. All right, let's kick things off with some game-changing news from Ethena Labs. Their stablecoin, USDe, is on track to be the first fully compliant with the US Genius Act. What's that, you ask? It's a big regulatory framework in the US for digital assets. Think of it as a golden ticket for projects wanting to play ball with big institutions. And Ethena's not doing this alone. They've teamed up with Anchorage Digital, the only federally chartered crypto bank out there. This partnership means USDte is moving onshore to become a US-regulated payment stablecoin. Why does this matter? It's all about trust and transparency. For institutions looking for safe digital dollars, this puts Ethena at the top of the list. That's a huge deal for ENA's future. Now let's talk money, real money. According to DeFi Llama, a site that tracks how much DeFi projects are earning, Ethena raked in over $11 million in fees in just 24 hours. That's right, $11 million, landing them second place behind Tether among all DeFi protocols. For context, that's more than heavyweights like PancakeSwap and Uniswap in that time frame. How do they do it? It's a mix of staking rewards, yield payouts, and fees for minting their stablecoin, USDe. This isn't just a cool stat. It shows Ethena's got real traction and usage in the DeFi space. When a project's making this kind of cash, it's a sign they're doing something right. And that's got to make you wonder, how's this impacting ENA's price? First, speaking of USDe, let's zoom in on Ethena's stablecoin. A few hours ago, Ethena tweeted that USDe hit a $7 billion supply with a sweet 12% APY. That's annual percentage yield, or the interest you can earn in a year. Pretty bright future, right? They're entering supply discovery. That's their way of saying things could take off even more. A stablecoin with billions in circulation and double-digit yields isn't just impressive. It's a magnet for users and investors. And since USDe powers Ethena's ecosystem, this growth could be rocket fuel for ENA's value. Ethena's not stopping there. They're making USDe super easy to use. First, they've rolled out integration with Ledger Live. That's the app for Ledger hardware wallets, where you can now send, receive, and even earn yield on USDe directly. It's rolling out gradually, so if you don't see it yet, don't worry. It's coming. Then, there's a new landing page for the Ton wallet on Telegram, where you can earn up to 19% APY on USDe. Telegram's got millions of users, so this could bring a flood of new people into Ethena's world. Convenience and high yields? That's a recipe for adoption and a big boost for ENA. Here's another big one. StablecoinX, tied to ENA under the ticker TLGY, just raised $260 million in cash through a PIPE round. That's a private investment in a public company. According to their tweet, this makes them the top dog among US-listed digital asset treasuries, with cash raised equal to 8.44% of their circulating market cap. No one else comes close. This huge capital inflow shows crazy investor demand for ENA. Plus, there's talk of $260 million in buybacks, which could shrink the supply and push the price up. When TradFi wakes up to stablecoins, Ethena's ready to cash in. Okay, let's get technical, your favorite part. We're looking at the ENA-USD pair on a 3-day chart. Back in January, ENA hit a local high at $1.30, then slid to 22 cents by June. Since then, it's been climbing, and 2 weeks ago, it smashed through a descending trend line, a line showing lower highs over months. That breakout's a big deal. It's like a green light for a new uptrend. The price is now hovering around 60 cents, and the super trend indicator just flipped green last week. Think of super trend as a traffic signal. Green means go, bullish vibes ahead. With all this news backing it up, the chart's screaming opportunity. To figure out where ENA might go, I've drawn Fibonacci levels from that January peak to the June low. These are like price checkpoints. The price just passed 48 cents and 60 cents, where I took some profits, as you saw in my last Ethena's videos, and now we're eyeing 90 cents, $1.30, $2, and $3 as take-profit zones. That's a potential 5x from here. If it dips, there's a buy zone between 48 cents and 55 cents, perfect for jumping in. The Heikin-Ashi RSI below is nearing overbought, but don't panic. It can hang there during strong runs. The volume profile shows heavy trading at 35 cents to 45 cents, making it solid support. I've got a stop loss at 39 cents, but I'm trailing it up as we hit targets. Oh, and I trade this on MEXC. It's awesome for beginners. Check the link below in the description for a sign-up bonus and grab up to $8,000 in rewards. Let's rewind a bit. I've been tracking ENA for months. Back in February at 40 cents, I saw the potential. March hit 41 cents, June dropped to 33 cents, and July was 30 cents. Now at 60 cents, we're seeing the payoff. Those dips were tough, but the breakout and news prove patience wins in crypto. Stick with me, and we'll ride this profits wave together. ENA's breaking out, backed by monster fundamentals, compliance, fees, adoption, and a fat cash injection. The chart's pointing to $3 or more, and I'm pumped to see where this gem takes us. Do your own research and play it smart with risk, but this could be huge. Love this breakdown. Smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments. Where do you think ENA's headed? And subscribe for more daily crypto gold. Check out my past ENA videos below to see how we got here. Thanks for watching. You're the best. See you tomorrow in the next one.